This is Kalila from LiveLoveHouse, and I'm going to show you how I installed new flooring in a basement bedroom. This is laminate flooring by Traffic Master in the color River Bend Oak. The first thing that I did was allowed the flooring to acclimate in the room that it was going to be installed in. And then I made sure that the floor was super clean. Once the floor was thoroughly cleaned, I laid down a 6 mil vapor barrier. This flooring does not have padding attached underneath it, so it did require to also install an underlayment. I used a water-resistant tape at all the seams when I laid the vapor barrier and the underlayment. I started off by laying out my first 2 rows, making sure that no seams lined up. It's also recommended to use spacers to leave the appropriate expansion gap. Installing this flooring was not difficult at all, but you had to be very mindful when you're tapping pieces into place because the actual groove in the flooring was very fragile. To cut this flooring, you're definitely going to need some type of a saw or a laminate floor cutter, which is very different from vinyl flooring, which you could just use a utility knife to cut. And here's how the flooring turned out. Please like and subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok.